Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a brand new limited edition beauty box from Cult Beauty and it's the trending edit. It's the TikTok trending edit box. It's currently sold out, but you are able to pop your email down to be notified of when stock comes available. This was only released a couple of days ago and it's already out of stock, but yeah, it looks like they're going to be bringing it back in. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, then you'll find a link down below in my description. It might be available. If not, pop your email and then you'll be notified. And I'll also pop any other deals, any offers, any other beauty boxes Cult Beauty have. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and you'll find it all down there. The cost of the box is £30. It contains 6 beauty products and it has a value of £110. It says bring in TikTok's top trending beauty heroes to your routine. This expertly curated edit features fast selling finds for your page, the ones with results impressive enough to stop you mid-scroll. They've earned thousands of views for a reason. So yeah, so let's show you what's inside. Starting off with my favourite liquid exfoliant. This is Paula's Choice BHA 2% liquid exfoliant, and we've got here, we've got 30 mils. It contains salicylic acid, is for all skin types, unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores, smooths and evens skin tone. Now I've been using this daily for the last couple of months and oh my gosh, it is such a game changer. My makeup goes on beautifully. I tend to switch products around a lot. I don't always give them enough time to see what they actually are like on my skin. But this one, yeah, I'd say this is my number one. My number one. The rest of my skincare just sinks beautifully into my skin. Makeup sits lovely on my skin as well. It just feels nice and soft and I've got no texture. I've still got very large pores. It's a genetic thing, both my parents have. I haven't got acne, but I've just got massive pores and I don't really notice a shrinkage in them with using this, but definitely texture, brightening. Yeah, I love this. I would 100% recommend it to all you lot. It's a really, really great product. Next is another product I really like. This is by Supergoop. This is Glowscreen. This is SPF 30 and we've got 30 mils here. It says on the back it's a lightweight pearlescent formula that hydrates the skin while acting as a luminous makeup primer. SPF hat. It also doubles as a highlighter whenever you want an extra dose of sunshine. It's got a seal on it, so I'm going to save that. I'm not going to open that up straight away. Then we've got a Caudalie. This is an instant detox mask. Tightens pores and removes excess oil, and it's 35 mils. So I'm not sure if I've ever tried this. I've tried lots of products from Caudalie before, but I'm not too sure. I don't think I have. It doesn't give any extra information there, but it's also got a seal. We've got an instant detox mask. Then we've got something that scares me. This scares me. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. And yeah, this is full size. I don't like it. I don't like it. I just don't like the feeling of it. I remember testing this out once on my hand and I was left with a bright red mark that looked like a burn. I didn't like the feel of it. I didn't like the taste of it. Oh, maybe the taste is alright. I can't remember. But it's got a really nice fruity smell with an underlying scent of deep heat. No, I don't like it. That's what it is. It's deep heat, isn't it? Deep heat on your lips. I remember coming out of a shower years and years ago and I put a bathrobe on and within about 10 minutes or so I was doing my makeup. I was burning up. I couldn't understand it. I felt so hot and it was itchy. It was all going up my neck. It was all over my shoulders. My whole body was turning bright red. Didn't have a clue what it was. And then I found out that my boyfriend then put deep heat on all over him and wore my robe afterwards. So me coming out the shower with warm, wet skin, it obviously reacted. And oh my gosh. I've never tried it since, and this is when I was about 17, 18. So I won't use it. I hate the smell. But yeah, it's supposed to be a really great product. And it does plump, but no, not for me. Then we got Glow Recipe. This is Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Ultimate Glow and Brightening Highlighting Serum, and there's 40 mils there. Look at the bottle. Isn't it beautiful? It's so, so pretty. Really pretty. Right, I can try this and show you what it looks like on my hand. There. There, it feels really nice. I love the fact that it's a serum with a glow in it. So it just gives off like a really dewy, nice finish to the skin. Achieve a magical, undeniable glow with this versatile instant skincare highlighter that illuminates skin under or over makeup. Inspired by Korean makeup artists' go-to glowing tricks, this lightweight gel helps you achieve an ultra-reflective complexion immediately and over time with antioxidant-rich watermelon, brightening niacinamide and hydrating hyaluronic acid, all without mica, glitter and pearls. Niacinamide brightens uneven tone and dullness and minimises the appearance of pores to make skin truly glow. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? There's that, and that's full size as well. And then last up, we've got a hair product by Colour Wow. This is Dreamcoat Supernatural Spray, magically transforms texture, amazing humidity proofing powers, and there's 200 mils here. Oh, you might not be able to see much because of the reflection. You can see my ring light. You can probably see it better back here. Oh, I'm gutted about this because my hair doesn't get on with this. It just, no, I've tried it a few times and I just don't like it on my hair. Finally, award-winning humidity sealant stops hair from becoming a hot mess in even the highest humidity. Activate by heat, long-lasting, lasts through 3 to 4 shampoos. So I'm going to be passing that on. So yeah, so those are all the products inside this TikTok Trending Edit beauty box. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant. We got a Supergoop Glowscreen, we've got a Caudalie Detox Mask, we've got a Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, we've got a Glow Recipe, Niacinamide Dew Drops, and lastly a Colour Wow Dreamcoat. 2 out of the 3 products I'm going to be giving away. Which I'm a bit gutted about, but obviously I knew that before I bought the box. But all the other products I'm really happy to have. Dew drops, I use this daily, so a little handy size there. Same with the SPF and the mask as well. No, I'm really happy with it and I wanted to buy it as well to share with you lot. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to hear what you think of this box. Did you buy it? Or are you watching this thinking, nah, I'm not going to bother? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.